All right, if you want to add a photo to a contact on your Android phone, there's a couple ways to do that. And I think the easiest way is to actually go to Google Photos first. And from there, you can find the picture you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one for my buddy Ryan because it's a picture of him. Handsome fella. I'm going to tap those three dots in the top right corner and then tap the Use As option. Then we're going to use this as a contact photo. It'll ask which contact app you're using or which app you want to set this photo for. I'm using Google Contacts for all my contacts, so I'll go with that. Then we're going to find our contact on the list, so I'll choose Ryan here. And after that, we can do a little crop and zoom and align the photo properly if needed. Or you can skip that if it looks good right off the bat. Once I'm done with my adjustments, I'll hit the check mark and we're done. Now, when I'm in Contacts app, I'll see the profile picture there. And that picture will also show when messaging or calling with that contact. Of course, you can also do this directly within the Contacts app. If you're in the Contacts app, let's say I want to add a picture for Peter. I'll open his contact card, tap the pencil icon to edit, and here we can add a picture for him. If I tap that profile picture option, I can either use my camera to take a new photo, or, again, go to Google Photos to pick an existing one. Let's give Peter this picture right here. He's kind of a serious guy, but a good dude overall. I'll choose the picture, save it, and now Peter's got a contact photo too. One thing worth knowing, the photo needs to be saved on your phone's storage for this to work. If your photos are only saved on a SIM card, those unfortunately won't work for this. Anyways, that's how you add a photo to a contact on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.